Today we are going to write our first Python program using the things which we have learned so far. Let's begin. Okay, now we are in Python. Today we are not going to use this interactive cell because there are two problems with this interactive cell. The first one is we can write our code here and we can get the output here itself. But whenever we make any mistakes, we cannot go back and we cannot make any changes to this mistake. So this is the first problem. And the second problem is we cannot save this file. So we cannot save this file and we cannot use it in the future. Because of these two problems, what we are going to do is we are going to use file editor. Just go to file and click new file. You will get the file editor. Here you can write your code, you can edit it, you can save it, and you can use it in the future. Even though we write our code here, we will get the output here only. So we need both of these files. Alright, let me maximize this file editor and let's begin the code. Let's say I want to collect personal details from different people. For that, I have to write a small code. For example, I want to collect name, qualification, age, and location, these kind of details. For that, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable name and I'm going to use input function. Inside the input function, I'm entering please enter your name. After that, I'm creating a variable called age. Again, I'm using input function. Please enter your age. After that, I'm creating a variable called qualification. Again, I'm using input function, and inside the input function, I'm entering please enter your qualification. Then what else we can collect? We can collect, let's say, location. I'm creating a variable called location and I'm using input function. Inside the input function, I'm entering please enter your location. After collecting these information, what I want to do is I want to print them. So I'm going to use print function. Inside the print function, I'm passing these variables: name, age, qualification, and location. Now let's save it. Give some name. I'm giving example 1. Now let's run it. It is asking us to enter our name. Let's say my name is Jack, my age is 25, my qualification is MBA, and my location is India. Did you see? We got Jack 25 MBA India. Let's do some modification. Let's say your name is name and your age is age, then your qualification is, sorry, I forgot to put a colon here. So your qualification is qualification, then your location is location. So is everything fine? Your name is name, your age is age. Here we need to give space, here we need to give space, Your qualification is qualification. Here we need to give space. Your location is location. Here we need to give comma. That's it. Let's run it. Let's enter the name, age, qualification, and location. Your name is Jack, your age is 25, your qualification is MBA, your location is India. Now we have got the output in a very good format. So this is how we have to use input function and print function. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn about data conversion. Alright, see you in the next video.